0.26. 6 is having the top head. It's having a heart. So meaning 6 is the one that is recurring. So meaning that this number that we are having here can be written as 0.2666666. 6 is the one that is what? Recurring. All right. So how are you going to approach this question for you to earn your marks for that part? How do you approach it? Tell me what you are going to do to get this. We are going to say, let x be equals to 0.26. I'm writing it to 2 decimal places. Then the next number, if I say let x be 0.26, I'm going to increase this now. I say, what about 10x will be what? 10x will be this number that you are having here times 10. We write it in 2 decimal places also. That's going to be 0.266 times 10. The decimal will move 1 step. So we end up having 2.66. Then I look at these numbers that I'm having at this point. If I subtract them, I'm not going to have a 0 after the decimal point because you're having 0.26, 2.66. If I subtract these 2 numbers, I'm not going to get a 0. So I'll have to continue. Now I find 100x is going to be what? So meaning I'm going to move the decimal 2 steps. 1, 2. So I can write this as 26.66. Because now after the decimals become here, I can write this 266 like that. So I can see if I take this number and this number, I subtract them, I can have a 0 after the decimal, because after the decimal I have 6, after the decimal I have 6, isn't it? So I can now say 100x is equals to 26.66, but 10x is equals to 2.66. Then what I'm going to do here is to subtract the 2 equations, and then if I subtract, I'm going to get 90x is equals to 24, because 66, if you subtract 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 24. Then we can therefore say we have 90x is equals to 24. Divide by 90, divide by 90. 90 and 90 will cancel out, which implies that our x is going to be equals to 24 over 90. If you divide, which number can divide here? 3 can go to 24, 3 can go to this one. So 3 will go to 24 8 times, 3 will go to 90 30 times. 2 can divide these 2 numbers, so 2 will go here 4 times, 2 will go here 15 times. So you can see the fraction of this is going to be 4 over 15. That is exactly what you are going to get as the fraction expression of this particular recurring decimal. And you can see we have not used a calculator anywhere.